Rolls his arm over quite frequently.
Well, Dhoni has a wicket in a one-day international. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, bowled. Someone moving behind the bowlers.
Peterson's reaction if he gets out to Dhoni.
Oh, it could be. It could be. Why wasn't it given?
Outside the line, I think. Again, Peterson getting a long way forward. That's close. He must be saved by outside the line, surely.
What the headlines would have been about in the British papers tomorrow had this been given. Nasser?
It's outside the line. Peterson's technique of getting so far forward and across is saving him. Definitely hitting the stumps.
Not coming so far forward with that front foot.